This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a remote start feature, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, a trailer hitch receiver, automatic locking wheel hubs, running boards, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, dual power seats, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Dan Wiebold Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 5707 Eastgate Boulevard in Nampa.